Good morning and Sai Ram children. Children, today in this video we'll continue same chapter number 9, My Fun Day. In this video we'll do exercise related with our workbook. Okay? As we have done many questions related to this chapter in our book also, same type of questions are also given in the workbook. So, these questions will be easy for you to understood. Okay? So, let's start our workbook exercise. Chapter number 9, My Fun Day. This is the page of our maths workbook, page number 40, chapter number 9, My Fun Day. Here, first question is fill in the blanks with the correct option. Fill in the blanks are given and options are also given here. Okay, you will choose the correct option and write here in the blank place. Clear? So, first is dash is the fun day. Dash is the fun day. Options are given Sunday and Monday. So, which day is fun day? It's Sunday. Okay. So, you will tick here and you will write here Sunday. Okay. Sunday. Sunday. Okay. Sunday is the fun day. Next part, third day of the week is. Third day of the week is. Third day of the week is. Options are given Wednesday and Thursday. So, which one is the third day of the week? It's Wednesday. So, you will write Wednesday. Okay? What you will write? You will write Wednesday. Spelling of Wednesday. I have already done these spellings in our book. Again we'll write. So, spelling of Wednesday is WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Okay. So, here in number 2 we'll write Wednesday. Clear? Third day of the week is Wednesday. Now, the third part, Sunday is the dash day of the week. Sunday is the dash day of the week. Options are given last and first. What is the option? What are the options? Last and first. So, what you will write there? Sunday is the last day of the week. Okay, Sunday is the last day of the week. So, you will write there last, L-A-S-T, last. Spellings are given. So, here you will write last. Sunday is the last day of the week. Now, the fourth part, first day of the week. Options are Sunday and Monday. So, which one is the first day of the week? It's Monday. So, you will write Monday. Spelling is given here. You will write here Monday. Okay. Now, the fifth part, dash is the fifth day of the week. Dash is the fifth day of the week. Options are Friday and Saturday. Friday and Saturday. So, which one is the correct option? It's Friday. So you will write here in the blank Friday. Spelling is given here. You will see the spelling. Read carefully the spelling and then you will write in the blank. Isn't it clear? Okay. Now the sixth part is dash is the fourth day of the week. Dash is the fourth day of the week. Options are Thursday and Tuesday. Options Thursday and Tuesday. So which one is correct? Thursday is correct or Tuesday is correct? Yes, it's Thursday. The fourth day of the week is Thursday. So you will write here in the blank Thursday. Spelling is given here. See the spelling and write carefully and very neatly. Clear? Okay. Now, next question, question number 2. This is matching. Match the following. Here, you will match these sentences to the correct day. Okay? So, you can write here numbers also. Here you can write numbers also. Here in this last place backside you can write numbers also. Clear? I am showing how you will write the numbers. Our first question is, first part is day that comes after Tuesday. Day that comes after Tuesday. Is it Monday? Is it Friday? Is it Thursday? Or is it Sunday? Which day? It is Wednesday. Day comes after Tuesday. After Tuesday, which day will come? It's Wednesday. So, you can match like this, or you can write here number like this. First part. You can write like this, or you can draw lines. Okay. So I will write here numbers. Okay. So the first part is Wednesday. So I will write here number first. Okay. Now, second part is if Tuesday is Sunday, yesterday was. If today is Sunday, yesterday was. Question is, if today is Sunday, then yesterday was? Yes, yesterday was Saturday. If today is Sunday and yesterday was Saturday. So, this Saturday is second part. So, here you will write number 2. What you will write? Here you will write 1. Here you will write 2 because this is the second one. Now, third part, 5 days after Sunday. 5 days after Sunday. So, after Sunday, which day will come? After 5 days after Sunday, which day will come? It's Friday. So, in front of Friday, you can write 3 because this is third one. This is the answer of third part. So, you can write here 3. Okay. Now, fourth part, day that comes before Tuesday. Day that comes before Tuesday. So, before Tuesday, which day has come before Tuesday? It's, yes, before Tuesday, it's Monday, isn't it? So, the fourth part is Monday. So, in front of Monday, you can write 4. In front of Monday, you can write 4. Okay? Now the fifth part, 3 days before Sunday. 3 days before Sunday. I'm writing here. First day is Monday. Monday. Then second is Tuesday. Then Thursday. Wednesday. After Wednesday, Thursday. After Thursday, Friday. Then Saturday. And then last one is Sunday. Okay. So the question is 3 days before Sunday. 3 days before Sunday. It means back. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So which day is this? This is Thursday. So we'll write here 5 number. In front of Thursday, we can write number 5. Okay. Now the last is fun day of the week. Yes, fun day of the week is Sunday. So in front of Sunday, you can write number 6. Okay. So you can match like this, or you can draw lines also. Okay. Now move on next page. Page number 41. Page number 41. Okay. Here one timetable is given, like we have done this type of question in our book also. Isn't it? So one timetable is given, and according to this timetable, some questions are given down. Some questions are here, questions are given down. So first we'll see the timetable, what is given here. Here periods are given 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and here after third period lunch break is there. After third period lunch break is there, and then fourth period, fifth period, then sixth and seventh. How many? 2 lunch breaks are there after third period and after fifth period. In this timetable, how many lunch breaks are there? 2 lunch breaks after third period and after fifth period, and total number of periods are 7. Okay, total number of periods are 7. Now here days are given. Here days are given: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, and here periods are given. Okay, and now see, on Monday, English, Maths, Hindi, EVS, GK, Music, Social Science. On Tuesday, Maths, EVS, Drawing, English, Social Science, GK and Hindi period. Okay, now on Wednesday, Hindi, English, GK, Library, EVS, English and Maths period is there. Okay, now on Thursday, Games, English and again games. Third period, again games, then Maths, Hindi, EVS and English. Now on Friday, English, EVS, Hindi, Moral Science, Library, GK and Music period. On Saturday, Maths, Hindi, English, Drawing, GK, EVS and Social Science period. These are the periods, and subject are given according to the days. Okay, now the question is down. Here subjects are given, and here on which day these subject periods are there in the timetable. Okay, so First is GK. So GK period is on which days? GK is on here Monday, then GK is on Tuesday, GK is on Wednesday, GK is on Friday and on Saturday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. So what we will write in front of GK? We will write here Monday, then we will write Tuesday, then we will write Wednesday, then we will write Friday, and then we'll write Saturday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. Okay. GK period is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. Okay. Now the second, English. English period is on Monday. Okay. Then it's on Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday. Friday is also na first period, English period, and then on Saturday it's third period. So all Monday to Saturday English period is there. So what we can write here? We can write here Monday to Saturday. We can write here Monday to Saturday. Okay. Because all 6 days, Monday to Saturday, English period is there. Okay. It means Monday to Saturday means every day. From Monday to Saturday, all day. Isn't it? So we can write here Monday to Saturday. Now the next is games period. Let me see. Games period. Games period is only on Thursday. On Thursday we have 2 games period. So we can write, in front of games what we can write? We can write Thursday. We can write Thursday in front of games because only on Thursday games period is there, only on Thursday. Isn't it? Okay. Now you will write every day name with capital letter. Okay. You will use capital letter to write day's name. Now the next is Hindi period. Hindi period, let me check. Hindi period. Hindi period is on? Yes, it's on Monday. It's on Tuesday. It's on Wednesday and Thursday. Then Friday and it is on Saturday also. So all Monday to Saturday Hindi period is there, isn't it? So what we can write here? Again we can write Monday to Saturday. What we can write? We can write here Monday to Saturday. Okay, we can write here Monday to Saturday. because Hindi period is all 6 days, Monday to Saturday. That's why we can write Monday to Saturday. Okay. Now move on. Next subject period, maths. Maths. How many periods are having for maths? Let's check. It is on Monday. Second period Monday, and then yes, Tuesday first period maths, and then Wednesday last period 7 period maths, and Friday it is on Thursday maths period, and on Saturday. Friday there is not any maths period. Okay, so we can write here what we can write. We can write here Monday, then we can write Tuesday, then after Tuesday Wednesday, after Wednesday we can write yes Thursday, and we can write Saturday. Okay, and Saturday. Maths period is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay. Okay. Now same you will see the subject period. You will see from the timetable and find and then write. Okay. From the timetable, these subjects, these EVS, social science, music, drawing, and moral science, you will see from here, and then you will write here days names. Clear? Understood? These subject periods you will see from the timetable and find and then write. Same I have written upside. Clear? Okay. Now move on next page. Next page, page number 42. On this page, some questions are given. We'll read the questions and then we'll write the answers. Okay. These questions related with same timetable. The question is, first question is, name the subject which is taught only once in a week. Name the subject which is taught only once in a week. Okay, we'll write here the subject name which is taught only once in a week. Which subject is this? It is which subject? Yes. Which subject taught once in a week? It is games, isn't it? It is only on Thursday. It is only on Thursday. So we can write there. Here what we can write? We can write here Thursday. What we can write? We can write here Thursday. So we'll write here Thursday. 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 The games period taught only once in a week. Only on Thursday. Okay. So we'll write their subject name, not day's name. We'll write their subject name. The name of the subject is games. Okay, so we'll write here games, GAMES, games. Okay, the games period, the games subject is taught only once in a week. Okay, now the next question is, which days have two games periods? Which day have two games period? Again we'll see the timetable. Here is the timetable. Which day? Here we'll see the day on which days we have two games period. So the day is Thursday, isn't it? Which day? Thursday. Thursday we have two games period. Okay, so what we can write here? We can write here Thursday. We can write here Thursday. So we'll write there Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday. What we'll write here? We'll write Thursday. Okay? We'll write here Thursday. Now the next question is, which days have two English periods? Which day have two English periods? So which day have two English periods? Let's check the timetable. Which day have two English periods? Here on Wednesday, one English period and one more English period. Second period is English period and sixth period is English period. So the day is Wednesday. On which days have two English periods? On Wednesday. So what we can write? There we will write Wednesday. What we will write? We'll write Wednesday. Okay. So the spelling of Wednesday is WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Okay. We'll write there Wednesday. The days have two English periods is Wednesday. Okay. Now the fourth part is, after which periods are there lunch break? After which periods are there lunch break? So see again the timetable. Let us look the timetable. Lunch break is, here is lunch break and one more lunch break is here. Two lunch breaks are here. So after third period and after fifth period. After third period and after fifth period, lunch break is there. Okay. So what we can write? We can write after third and fifth period. Okay. After third and fifth period. So we'll write there. We'll write after we'll write there third and fifth period. Okay. Third and fifth periods. PERIODS, periods. Third and fifth period. Okay. Third and fifth period. So after which periods are there lunch break? So after third and fifth period are there lunch break. Okay? Okay. Now the next question is fill the table. Fill the table. This type of table we have already filled in our book. Okay? In our book na, this type of table we have done in our book also. Similarly, you have to do this question also. Then you will do it yourself. Isn't it? So, this question you will do yourself. What you will do in this question? You will write your favorite fruit name, your favorite vegetable name, your favorite flower name, your favorite festival name, and your favorite season name. Isn't it? And here you will write month's name in which it comes. Okay? Like your favorite fruit is mango. So in which month it comes, you will write here. Like mango is comes in the month of May and June. Okay, so you can write May and June. Like this, you will write here your favorite fruits, vegetables, flower, festival, and season. And this side you will write month in which it comes. Okay, so this question you will do yourself. Okay, okay, children. Now, thank you and Sairam. Remaining questions we'll do in next video. Clear?